Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you guys for watching. Today we're going to do this open box review on the Samsung S20 Ultra, the 5G version. This is the US model. So we're going to go ahead and see what comes in the box. Alright guys, so we're going to go ahead and open up this box. The first thing you see is the phone. The clear display here is pretty nice and big, nice and shiny. You do have this little plastic tab that you can pull up. So there's the phone itself. So that looks very nice. Very, very nice. Wow, look at that lens. That looks beautiful. That's a very, very nice phone. So you can kind of see how thick it is there, all around. Alright, so we do have the phone right there. Let's see what else is in here. We do have just a Samsung paper. Alright, so that's a Samsung fast charging charger. Then we also have just this little box here, has nothing. We're going to the next step here, which is the charging cable, which is a Type-C that Samsung supplies along with the fast charger. So you see that there. And both ends are C. So that would connect to the fast charger. Alright, so we have that. Then we have earphones, AKG earphones that come with the phone. Comes with these also. So that looks like that's what's in the box. Then we have on this side we have our Samsung. Let's see here. We have our instruction manual. Then we have a little pin here to remove the little case for the SD or the SIM card. So there it is. Then we have our instruction manual. So let's go ahead and charge this phone up and see what it has. Alright guys, so I'm charging this phone with a super fast charger. Now we're going to go ahead and turn it on. It's at 49%. I did remove the SIM card from my old phone, so I do have it here right next to the phone to go ahead and put it in, which we're going to go ahead and put it in while it loads up. So on the top of the phone, you do have a little hole there for you to just push this in.
Let's get started.
To go ahead and
Get set up more easily by guiding you through the steps.
enter your SIM card. So there we go. The SIM card is there. Now we're just going to go ahead and put it back in. And now it's saying let's go. English. We're going to go ahead and hit English.
Let's look at the terms and conditions. Once you read and agree to these, we can really get going.
Alright, so it wants me to agree there. Now it's booting up. There we go. Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra 5G. Secured by Knox. That's a security feature. Alright, so I guess it has to do an update.
Let's get started. Let me help you get set up more easily by guiding you through the steps.
So here we go. It did an update. We're going to hit let's go.
Let's look at the terms and conditions.
Terms and
Once you read and
conditions.
agree to these, we can really get going.
So I have to check out some info to get started. Terms and conditions, you can check them out, but I have read and agree to all of the above. Gonna go ahead and hit next.
Wi-Fi would be quite handy here.
So here we're going to go ahead and put in our Wi-Fi. Let's go ahead and do that. So we put our Wi-Fi password in. Now it's going to go ahead and connect. So we're connected there. Now we're going to hit next. Checking for updates. So here it says copy apps and data. You can choose to transfer your apps, photos, contact, Google account, and more. So here you can just basically transfer all your information from your old phone to this phone. So I'm not going to do that right now. So don't copy. So here it wants your Google account. So we're going to go ahead and put that information in. So I went ahead and entered my Google account. Now it's asking me keep your account updated with this phone number. So of course it's telling you what you're agreeing to. So yes, I'm in. So here it's telling you the terms and conditions. I agree. Here this section says check out what's trending with the Google Assistant. So you can go ahead and hit next. See what's trending. Backup Google Drive, check. Use location, check. Allow scanning, check. Alright, let's hit more. Send usage and diagnosis data. Install updates and apps, check. Alright, here we go. Accept. Protect your phone, face recognition. We'll go ahead and hit the fingerprint. So we're gonna go ahead and hit the we're gonna go ahead and add the fingerprint, which you gotta set up a password for a pattern or a pin or just a regular password. I like using the pin. So let's go ahead and set that up now. Alright, so here your fingerprint scanner is in the front of the phone. So we're just gonna go ahead and push it multiple times until it reaches to the 100%. So you see there it keeps going. So now it says get a full scan, reposition your finger each time to capture the edges of your fingerprint. So hit continue. Sometimes they'll tell you that. So you want to get the sides of your fingerprint so you can make sure it gets the full fingerprint. So there we see the fingerprint added. We're going to go ahead and hit next. Adding the finishing touches. Sign into your Samsung account. Right now I don't have one, so I'm going to have to set that up. So we're going to go ahead and skip this for now. But you can also continue with Google. So I'm more of a Google guy, so I still want a Samsung account. But so I'm going to go ahead and just set that up too. So we can just go ahead and continue with Google. Samsung account wants to access your Google account. That's fine. So now, agree. Account created.
All right, we're all set.
Alright guys, that's the setup on your phone. You've seen what this phone comes with. So you're just getting the fast charger, the instruction manual, and some earphones, and the actual phone. But it's really nice upon opening up this box. So far I'm excited to go ahead and own this piece of phone. That's very, very nice. Also guys, I'm gonna go ahead and do a review on the phone. I just gotta go ahead and play around with it for a while so I can give you a real review to see if this phone is worth the money, if the pros outweigh the cons. And also I'm gonna go ahead and do another video on how I bought a Samsung S20 Ultra on eBay, and how they basically sent me it's a Samsung S20 Ultra, but it's an international version, which is different from the US version. Right now what you're seeing is the US version. So I will put a link in the description below, and then I will put information around here on this video, some cards, and on the end of the video. You guys have a great day. Take care.